Cashflow Quadrant, Rich Dad's Guide to Financial Freedom is a 1998 book written by Robert T. Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. It is a personal finance book that introduces the Cashflow Quadrant, a framework for dividing people into 4 categories based on how they earn income. Employee, people who earn income by trading their time for money. Self-employed, people who earn income by providing services or products directly to customers. Business owner, people who earn income from businesses that they own. Investor, people who earn income from investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Kiyosaki argues that the rich focus on building assets in the B and I quadrants, which generate passive income. He also teaches readers how to move from one quadrant to another to achieve financial freedom. The Cashflow Quadrant. The Cashflow Quadrant is a simple but powerful framework for understanding how money works. It can help you to identify your financial strengths and weaknesses, and to develop a plan for achieving your financial goals. The E Quadrant. The E Quadrant is for employees. Employees trade their time for money. They work for a salary or hourly wage. Employees are typically very good at their jobs, but they are also very limited in how much money they can make. The S Quadrant. The S Quadrant is for self-employed people. Self-employed people earn income by providing services or products directly to customers. They are in control of their own time and income, but they are also responsible for all aspects of their business, such as marketing, sales, and customer service. The B Quadrant. The B Quadrant is for business owners. Business owners earn income from businesses that they own. Businesses can be of any size, from a small one-person business to a large corporation. Business owners have the potential to make a lot of money, but they also face a lot of risk. The I Quadrant. The I Quadrant is for investors. Investors earn income from investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investors typically have a lot of money, but they also need to have a good understanding of how to invest wisely. How to move to the B and I quadrants. There are many ways to move to the B and I quadrants. One way is to start a business. Another way is to invest in real estate. And still another way is to invest in stocks and bonds. Each of these paths has its own challenges and rewards. It is important to choose a path that is right for you and your financial situation. Here are some tips for moving to the B and A quadrants. Start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Be patient. It takes time to build wealth. Be persistent. Don't give up on your dreams. Conclusion. Cashflow Quadrant, Rich Dad's Guide to Financial Freedom is a powerful book that can help you to achieve your financial goals. If you are serious about achieving financial freedom, I highly recommend reading this book.